Hey guys, tonight we're going to talk about a cool feature in Ywallet that allows you to batch and save your accounts and quickly load your accounts with Ywallet. So let me show you how this works. Let's clear this out. Whoops. We'll load up Ywallet and let's assume you have a lot of accounts. A lot of folks do. Go into accounts and then you're going to list all your accounts, and the hidden feature here is that you use this little plus guy. You click and hold this and then you're going to save batch. So it automatically creates an encryption key, but we can just delete that and generate a new one, and you're going to get an encryption key and a secret key. And you click on these four squares, it'll give you a QR code. Save that file. So we'll do that now. We're going to save it in the desktop demo backup. So this is the encryption key QR. Okay, and then this is the secret key QR. Secret key QR. Okay. And then the last is you set it. You hit save backup. Let it finish processing. Hit OK. And this will be our backup file. Alright, now here's the scary part. We have our backup, but now we have to expertly delete our accounts, which we probably don't want to do, but let's just say it happens. So you delete, you just keep going down the line. Your little brother came and destroyed all your accounts. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Alright, so Ywallet has officially been deleted. We're going to new account, demo, Zcash, new. Yep, made a backup. Now, go to accounts. This time when you click and hold, we're going to restore batch. And it wants the secret key. So let's go ahead and find that. Desktop, demo backup, secret key QR. Okay, and now you want to load the backup, which is the backup file. And then the last step here is please quit and restart the app now. We'll do that. Restart the app, and automagically it restores all accounts quickly. No need to rescan the spam attack. How cool is that? Thanks for watching, guys.